You get to see the finished product. Welcome to Boyer Manor. This is a Airbnb property here. We got called in to do 3 separate bathrooms. They were only a couple years old and all 3 had started showing signs of leaking, and after we tore them out, they indeed were all leaking, along with the kind of rough work, pretty shoddy construction on some of it, just really sharp edges, stuff not being waterproof correctly, and they did no leveling or flattening of any kind when they originally did it. So we came in, set up all of our dust protection. That was one of the challenges with this house, was dust protection for 3 separate areas spread out through a house. So we had to contain each area and then provide pathways between each one of those areas. And so once we got all the demo done, then we had the challenge of leveling all the floors. We had to do self-leveler in all 3 of these bathrooms. All 3 were unlevel by over an inch. And so the small little bathroom was unlevel by over 2 inches, and so we had to do some custom transition work there to make that right. But now you get to see the finished product.